all these snazzy YouTubers are just like, when they're doing a cleaning video, they're like, Della, clean fridge. That was really weird. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning my kitchen video. This is going to be very boring. Hi there. This is going to be very boring, but I am going to make it as exciting as possible. So yeah, let's get started. I usually make my way across, like, do all that. If that noise is bothering you, it's the stupid washing machine. So, oh jeez, I'm sorry. So I usually work my way around, and then I do the island, and then I do the kitchen table, and then I do floor. So let's get started. This usually just stays here. This water bottle, oh my god, this water bottle needs to go in there. It needs to soak. Okay, that's not soaking. Okay, so I've already wiped this down, and then I had the amazing idea to do a video about it. So yeah, I've already wiped all this down, and I did not realize I put my foot in there. Okay, so I'm going to now work on the island. This is my jumper. Oh my god. This is my jumper, so I'll probably put my jumper here. Perfect. Put my jumper there, and then this is some noodles. So I'll put the noodles in my, as Americans would say, pantry, but British people say cupboard for cans and stuff and cereal. Okay, so this is a dishcloth which will probably go on this hanger here. Woo! So now I'm going to wipe down here. So I'm going to wipe it down with Method stuff. This is almost finished. So, okay. Just wiping under you there. And then I work my way over here. Oh, hey. And then okay. That's probably just going to stay there because I don't know where it goes. So, yeah. Next, I'm going to do over here. All I need to put away is this mug of tea, really. I just need to pour out and then put it in the dishwasher. I'm doing this, I'm like looking through my camera right now. Okay. Next, I'll wipe the kitchen table down. I've got two methods. Method really works. Wow. So I'll put that there, and then I'll wipe down this kitchen table here. Okay. Wow, the noise. Oh, did you hear that ringing? That's the washing machine just gone off. Okay. I'm very hyper today. I'm not usually hyper. You don't usually see me in my hyper mode. So it's there, and then all I really need to do now is the dishes and the floor. This Swedish sock can just go over there. We'll worry about that later. I'll tuck all the chairs in. Oh, geez. Ow. I just put the leg of the chair on my foot, which was really great. It's a great time. Okay, so put my Wellington booties over here. I'm extremely hyper. I'm so sorry that you got to see me in my hyper mode. That bell's probably just gonna keep ringing. I'm going to put away these bags. If you're a true maiden or rent, then you will know how to fold the bags. Boom! Yeah. Okay. Woo! Also, make sure to subscribe, like, I don't know if I've said that already, but make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Turn on your notification bell, all that jazz. Yes. My mom's probably just gonna walk right in. Don't come in, whoever you are. Okay. Bags folded. Next, put away my mother's bag, which will probably just go. Oh my god. This house is so messy. I don't even. The only clean room in this. The only clean room in this house is my living room. So I'm gonna work my way over here. This is behind the scenes. You don't usually get to see this, you 23 subscribers, which is pretty sad. So that can go there. And then all I really need to do, I'll just hoover. I don't care if I sweep. Who cares about sweeping? I'll just hoover. Me trying to get this on. Someone screenshot this and put it on their Instagram, which probably no one will. Next, I'm going to hoover. Woo! Noises! Ow. Ow. Close this. I'm going to try and do it as quick as possible. Ow. I hope you find this video amusing. RIP headphone users. This is making it on too sore. But we're just gonna roll with it. Oh, I forgot to put the oven on. Ow. My mom asked me to put the oven on. Ah! Oven, 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 oven. Yay. Okay, I probably won't wash these dishes in front of y'all because that's just boring, y'all. So I'll do the finished product. Okay, this is the view from when you walk in the room. Woo! Yeah, I attended the kitchen. Okay, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I already said this, but bye.